Welcome to one of the most breathtaking luxury homes ever imagined. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through a masterpiece of modern architecture, timeless elegance, and unmatched comfort. Every space in this home has been carefully designed to create the perfect balance between beauty, functionality, and luxury. As we step toward the grand entrance, the impressive architecture immediately captures attention. Towering glass walls, natural stone finishes, warm wooden accents, and carefully designed lighting create an unforgettable first impression. The beautifully landscaped gardens and peaceful water features add a sense of calm before we even enter the home. Walking through the massive front doors, we're welcomed by an extraordinary entrance hall. The soaring double-height ceiling creates a feeling of openness, while the polished marble flooring reflects the soft golden lighting throughout the space. A stunning crystal chandelier hangs above, becoming the centerpiece of the entire foyer. Moving into the living room, luxury reaches a completely new level. Floor-to-ceiling windows invite natural sunlight inside, filling the room with warmth throughout the day. Elegant designer furniture, premium textures, and carefully selected decorative pieces create a sophisticated atmosphere. Every detail has been thoughtfully arranged to offer both comfort and style. Next, we arrive in the gourmet kitchen, where modern technology meets timeless design. Custom cabinetry, premium marble countertops, and high-end appliances blend seamlessly into a space built for both everyday living and elegant entertaining. Hidden storage solutions and minimalist finishes keep the kitchen clean, organized, and effortlessly luxurious. Connected to the kitchen is the formal dining area. A handcrafted dining table, surrounded by elegant seating, sits beneath a breathtaking designer chandelier. This inviting space is perfect for hosting unforgettable family gatherings, celebrations, and intimate dinners. Now we enter the master bedroom, a peaceful sanctuary designed for complete relaxation. Soft lighting, natural colors, luxurious fabrics, and panoramic views combine to create a calming retreat. Large windows frame beautiful outdoor scenery, allowing every morning to begin with breathtaking natural light. The master bathroom continues the feeling of luxury. Beautiful marble surfaces, a freestanding soaking tub, spacious walk-in showers, and elegant gold fixtures transform an everyday routine into a spa-like experience. Every material has been selected to deliver comfort, beauty, and sophistication. For those who work from home, the private office offers the perfect environment for creativity and productivity. Rich wood finishes, custom shelving, comfortable seating, and abundant natural light make this workspace both functional and inspiring. Stepping outside, we're greeted by an incredible outdoor living area. An infinity swimming pool stretches toward the horizon, surrounded by elegant lounge furniture, tropical landscaping, and ambient lighting. Whether relaxing during the day or entertaining guests at night, this outdoor retreat offers an unforgettable experience. The beautifully designed garden blends nature with modern architecture. Stone pathways, mature trees, colorful flowers, and peaceful water features create a private oasis where every moment feels calm and refreshing. As evening arrives, the entire property transforms into something truly magical. Architectural lighting highlights every detail of the home's design, while reflections shimmer across the pool and glass walls. The warm glow creates an atmosphere of elegance, peace, and exclusivity. This extraordinary mansion is more than just a beautiful home. It represents a lifestyle built around comfort, innovation, craftsmanship, and timeless design. Every room tells its own story, and every detail reflects a commitment to exceptional quality. Thank you for joining this luxury house tour. If you enjoy elegant architecture, premium interior design, and breathtaking dream homes, be sure to subscribe, leave a like, and share this video with someone who appreciates true luxury. We'll see you in the next luxury home tour.